Good morning everyone. I am Professor Santosh Kumar, Department of Finance, Chandragupta Institute of Management, Patna. Normally, whenever we faculty discuss, we have always a burning topic, how to fix the curriculum, how to design the curriculum. So, in the today's knowledge series 6, I will be discussing that recently we had a lecture at a state universities and we faculties have discussed how to evolve with the curriculum in tandem with the requirements of the market. So certain criteria that we have evolved we will discuss today. First of all, we need to remember that we have to be very flexible, we have to be dynamic as per the government policy. Secondly, we have to see who is the process owners, whether we are talking at the level of program leaders, course leaders, or the course instructors. Second issues. And the third one is, what is the job market or what is the job candidacy? How the market is likely to evolve in the next 5 to 10 years. Accordingly, we have to generate the skill set. Now, we have different programs. If you see in the programs, you have the diploma, you have the undergraduate, you have the postgraduate, you have the PhD. Students are frequently confused which one program we should go for and which one is most convenient, or on the other side the professors have the same confusion how the program should be affronted with the right or the optimal curriculum. So here we decided that the first criteria that we have is the level of exposure. The faculty cohort that they have decided the level of exposure, and the level of exposure is the difficulty level start from 1 and the highest difficulty level is 1000. So if you see from 1 to 100, we will try to accommodate any sort of diploma, management development program, small training, 5 days training, unit linked program. So the level of difficulty that you require, that will be somewhere in a scale of 10, probably it will be 0 to 1. Coming to the next level, if you are talking undergraduate program, first year, second year and third year. The courses are also coded like 123, 124, 174, 273. So accordingly, if you see the courses 234, you can immediately visualize that probably this course belongs to the UG program, that too also in the second year. And if the coding starts with something like 374, you must understand this is a particular course probably in the third. The moment you graduate to PG program, postgraduate program, the course coding will migrate to 400 to 600. I mean the first year PG program 400 to 500, and then 500 to 600 coding will be done for your second year postgraduate. But for the next level, the PhD program and the postdoctorate program, the level of difficulty goes up and the course coding is something like 600 to 1000. Now, what is this level? If you see this level, how do we graduate actually from the lower level to the higher level? So, once you are in the diploma, MDP and the unit linked program, you hardly focus on the trade requirement. But the moment you come to UG program is primarily based on the fundamentals. Fundamentals requirement, whatever you have, whether it is for the management program, whether it's the legal professionals, or for the engineering professionals, or for the medical professionals. But the moment you graduate to postgraduate program, now you are going to the job market. So your job candidacy, according to the job candidacy, whatever the trade requirement you have, accordingly the curriculum should be designed. And the moment you come to PhD program or the postdoctorate program, our orientation should be philosophy. So that is what we are saying while designing the curriculum. If we are in the UG program, our focus should be on fundamentals. If we are in the PG program, our blend is, we should have a blend curriculum where trade plus little bit of philosophy. And the moment you move to the postgraduate PhD programs and the postdoctorate program, 100% you have to devise the program or the curriculum which is philosophy based. Let me take you the example. Suppose I have the finance courses. We may teach you fundamentals of investments in the UG program, security analysis and the portfolio management, which is a trade requirement probably at the PG program as an elective course or the MBA. And the moment you graduate to doctorate program, you will be taught the philosophy of investments. We are not interested in teaching you Sharpe ratio, Trainer ratio, Jensen alpha, many more small things. 100%. These are the things have to be very required either at the fundamental level, which is on as a trade level. I mean, let me take you the example. Suppose the moment you migrate to philosophy or the doctorate level, we may teach you fundamentals of investment in the UG program, security analysis and the portfolio management, which is a trade requirement, philosophical level questions, argument based questions, how the things have evolved. And the moment you graduate underpinnings of that doctorate program, you need to understand the philosophy behind that. So this is how the curriculum will migrate once you move from UG to PG and PG to PhD program. Second is, the moment you are in the UG program, your research based activity probably it may not be more than the 6 months, maybe only one term. And the moment you are in the PG program, probably your exposure may be for 1 year, whether you go for the seminars or you go for the research activity or you go for mini dissertations or anything else. But the moment you jump into the philosophy or the doctorate of philosophy or the PhD program, probably you engage yourself in the investigation work for 4 to 5 years. This is how the credit load may fluctuate once you move from fundamentals to philosophy program. In the next knowledge series, these are the two things that we have discussed here, how the curriculum will be changed once you move from level of exposure in the graduates, you are graduating from one program to the another one. The next level, how the COPO attainment, I mean the course objective and the program objective. That is what I am writing here. This will be discussed in the next knowledge series 7. There will discuss how the curriculum design should be taking care of course objective and the program objective. So probably today we have finished our discussions only with the two parts, level of exposure and the graduate, and in the next knowledge series we will be discussing how the COPO is important in designing the course curriculum. Thank you very much.